Greetings, everyone. If you are interested in improving your health, I urge you to pay attention because turmeric milk has remarkable benefits for your body. However, before you begin sprinkling turmeric on your meals, there is an essential aspect you should be aware of to ensure proper absorption. Before we dive into the specifics, we invite you to express your interest in this subject by liking the video if you have already experienced the marvels of turmeric. If you are new here, remember to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to stay updated with our latest content. The key component to focus on is curcumin, which is the primary active compound found in turmeric. Unfortunately, curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body and has minimal impact on blood levels when consumed on its own. To enhance its absorption, it is important to consume turmeric with fat. While some individuals may not consume dairy products, alternatives such as coconut milk and almond milk can effectively serve this purpose. To prepare turmeric milk, you will need approximately 1.5 to 1 teaspoon of turmeric mixed with a glass of milk. It's worth noting that curcumin is the primary constituent of turmeric. By heating it, you can significantly increase the bioavailability of curcumin, resulting in approximately 12 times greater absorption compared to consuming it without heating. However, you still have the flexibility to enjoy turmeric milk cold, warm, or hot according to your preference. Consuming turmeric milk provides your body with a rich supply of antioxidants, which play a crucial role in preventing or delaying cell damage. These antioxidants work by combating free radicals that can cause harm to our cells. When free radicals accumulate, it leads to a condition known as oxidative stress, which can be detrimental to our overall health. Turmeric milk has the ability to help the body reduce inflammation, which is associated with various diseases including Alzheimer's, cardiovascular issues, and diabetes. Inflammation is a common underlying factor in these conditions, and addressing it is vital for our well-being. By incorporating turmeric milk into your routine, you can potentially alleviate inflammation, promoting better health. Another remarkable benefit of turmeric milk is its ability to increase the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a compound that aids in the formation of new connections in the brain and growth of brain cells. Inefficient levels of BDNF have been linked to various brain disorders, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. By regularly consuming turmeric milk, you can potentially preserve memory and reduce the decline in brain function. In addition, turmeric milk has the potential to improve mood. If you've been feeling down or experiencing symptoms of depression, this remedy may help lift your spirits and restore a sense of well-being. Furthermore, turmeric milk offers protection against heart disease by virtue of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties help safeguard the lining of blood vessels and improve endothelial function. Turmeric milk can lower levels of bad cholesterol, increase levels of good cholesterol, and reduce triglycerides, all of which contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Turmeric milk also has a positive impact on blood sugar levels, effectively lowering insulin resistance and reducing hemoglobin A1C levels. By regulating blood sugar, it helps prevent the conversion of excess sugar into fat, promoting better metabolic health. Lastly, turmeric milk possesses antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making it a natural booster for the immune system. A strong immune system is essential for overall well-being and helps protect the body against various pathogens. Incorporating turmeric milk into your routine can offer a range of health benefits, from combating oxidative stress and reducing inflammation to supporting brain function, improving mood, protecting the heart, regulating blood sugar, and boosting the immune system around the clock. Additionally, incorporating turmeric milk into your routine can lead to improved digestion. It can be beneficial for conditions like acid reflux, as well as alleviating stomach pain and bloating. Inflammatory conditions such as Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis may also find relief by consuming turmeric milk. One remarkable aspect of turmeric is its ability to enhance the digestions of fats by increasing bile production by up to 62%. This can contribute to better fat absorption and overall digestive health. Furthermore, turmeric milk supports the maintenance of strong bones by facilitating the utilization of calcium and vitamin D. In cases where the diet lacks sufficient calcium, the body may extract calcium from bones to maintain normal calcium levels in the bloodstream. This in turn weakens the bones and increases the risk of osteoporosis. By consuming turmeric milk regularly, particularly before bedtime, you can potentially improve your sleep quality, reduce inflammation in the body, and promote stronger bones. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive all our latest videos. Thank you again for watching, and goodbye.